Hi friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and in today's video I am in my master bedroom closet to share with you how we inexpensively transformed our walk-in closet from a hot mess to a pretty well-organized success, so stay tuned. So Alex and I have wanted to transform our closet literally since we bought this house. Where we're standing is conjoined with our master bathroom. So literally you're here and you step into the bathroom and then you step into the closet. So there's not a whole lot of space, not a whole lot of separation. And so we wanted this space to really work for us and be functional. And it was not. There was stuff everywhere, and I'm slightly embarrassed to share, but I want to keep it real and let you guys know that my house is nowhere near perfect. And there's messes and things happen. So I want to share with you how we use the Dakota Closet system from Menards to transform. Now, I have no contact with the company. They did not send me any of this. Alex did a ton of research and decided this was the one that we should use. So we just went to Menards and bought it. The only deal that we got was 11% off. But when you're buying this much stuff, it's a great deal. So let me show you how we did this. So when you look in the closet, it's oddly comforting that it's clean and you can see the floor and everything, which is awesome. But then this is when you know you have a problem. There's stuff literally everywhere. So I'm gonna have to continually KonMari this stuff because this is, look at Sebastian, he can't even get off the bed. So we got all the pieces for the Dakota Closet set at Menards, and we made sure to do it when they had an 11% off rebate, so then that way we could send that in. But we ended up going with the Java color, and they also had white and like a lighter brown, and they've got a bunch of different options at Menards, but this one was, I think, the most cost effective, but still also looked very nice. And Alex looked at the install. I can't say it looked easy to install, but I think it's going to be pretty with the dark wood, and to have more storage space is going to be amazing. So as you're in the store grabbing stuff for the closet system, this is something that wasn't super obvious to us that you needed until we were on our way home and we watched the installation video. So I will link that down below, the installation video that we used, but I would definitely check that out. These strap toggle hooks are what we used for when the tracking system did not go directly into the studs. And for the way that it's pretty much laid out, you're going to get one, maybe two things into a stud directly, and then you need these to make sure that all of the weight from your closet system is not going to pull it off the wall. So we grabbed these at Home Depot, just because Home Depot is closer to us than Menards. I'm sure Menards has them, but these are the 1/4-inch ones that we grabbed, and they hold up to 80 pounds in drywall. So it's just like a quick push-in system, and then you use the bolts that they provide you to hook it to that track before you add everything to the wall. What we liked about the Dakota line of stuff at Menards is that it was pretty reasonable. I mean, you could spend a bajillion dollars on stuff for your closet to make it look custom, but they have things like wardrobe rods. They've got shelf kits, which is what this is. So then you just, whatever you're trying to do, it's however many pegs here on the side, and then they just have cam locks underneath. But this is nice because you can hang up your clothes, and then I'm gonna put shoes or jewelry or whatever here, and it will be super nice. So you can really mix and match. So it's really gonna depend on the size of your closet and what you're hoping to do with what you're gonna buy. I also grabbed these inexpensive hooks from Menards so that I could use them to hang purses and hats, etc. So we found the stud and made sure to use a drill to put it into the stud. So just in case I wanted to put anything heavy on it, it would be good to go. But I love that I can hang all of my purses here, keep everything organized, and I can see what I have, so I'm able to use it more. So the organization in here is a little bit of a work in progress, but we just completed this past weekend, so we were really happy with how it turned out. Let me know down below if you've ever used this kind of closet system, or if you've done your own closets, and anything that maybe you wouldn't think of to put in that we maybe need to add. Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe down below so you don't miss a future video, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!